Hello beautiful ladies, welcome to the Purea Aesthetics. Today we are going to dispatch and pack an order for our beautiful Purea client. She has ordered intensive face whitening night cream that is rich in antioxidants that hydrate, tones and refreshes your skin, improves your complexion up to 4 to 6 tones and helps in intensive skin brightening. She has also ordered an acne gel that smooth lines, deep puff skins, treat acne, helps to repair skin barrier, smooth fine lines. Night creams contain 100% pure glutathione and many combination ingredients, helps in cell boosting, increase elasticity, hydration and cell regeneration. Hope you like it. Kindly subscribe to our channel. We dispatch parcels carefully. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like the video.